Let's do one more problem here dealing with some money, some investments. So we've got 5,000 bucks that goes to an account, compounds monthly. After 10 years, that's how much we have. What is the interest rate paid on this account? So let's remind ourselves that P of T for compound interest equals initial investment P naught times 1 plus the interest rate R divided by N, the number of compounding periods, raised to N, the number of compounding periods, times the number of years the money is there. And we know that we have a goal of that we actually get 11,098 and 20 cents, and we want to figure out what the interest rate was. So 11,098.2 equals P naught, the initial investment, 5,000 bucks, times 1 plus R over N. R is 0.05, correct? Oh, we don't know what R is. So R over N. N is the number of compounding periods per year, monthly, so that's going to be 12. Raised to the NT. N is 12, and T is 10 years, so that's going to be 120 up there. Okay? So I need to get R by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide out by 5,000. And we get that 1 plus R over 12 raised to the 120 equals 11098.2 divided by 500. Okay, so the issue is now this 120 there. That R is trapped in something that I'm raising to the 120th power. Well, to get rid of that, let's raise both sides to the 1 over 120. You can do anything you want to a math equation as long as you do it to both sides. Alright? Anything you want. And so that's going to give me that. Let me switch colors here. I'm getting tired of green. That's going to give me that 1 plus R over 12 equals 11098.2 divided by 500. That should be 5,000, shouldn't it? Yeah, that needs to be 5,000. Raised to the 1/120th. Okay? And now, over here, we just solve by R with normal business. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides and then simultaneously multiply both sides by 12 to get rid of it. That is, R is going to equal this expression here, 11098.2 divided by 5,000 raised to the 1/120th. I'm going to subtract 1, and then to get this 12 out from underneath the R, I need to multiply both sides by 12. Okay? And I think that that's going to give it to us. So let's break out the calculator and see what happens. So I'm going to get a parentheses for the first bracket there, then another parentheses for everything inside the 1/120th. So that's going to be 11098.2 divided by 5,000. Close parentheses. My caret to put my stuff in that exponent is going to be 1 divided by 120. So that parentheses closes my exponent, then minus 1. That parentheses closes the first parentheses, and now times 12. And we see there that's about 8%, so 0.08. R is 0.08, which is about, it was 0.799, which is about 8%. So that is, if you invest $5,000 compounded monthly for 10 years, and you wind up with that amount there, $11,098.20, that means the bank or whoever you invested with, that you earned about 8% compounded monthly per year. Alright, hope these help you folks out. See you in the next video.